She went down right where I shot her. Nice, quick, clean kill. I'm gonna see if her scent drags in any mature bucks. So, I mean, you can't ask for better than that. Had her completely broadside, made a sound, and had her stop. She was nervous, skittish. Looks like she'd probably been shot at or spooked out of her bedding area. So, you can tell it's opening day. You can just tell how they're acting. So, I'm gonna wait here, just keep quiet. Hopefully, if a mature buck is in the area, he's gonna smell her out in the field, and hopefully he's in one of these draws or following her a little ways back. And hopefully I'll get another shot and I can just film my tags, because I know my wife would be pretty thrilled if I could just sit out the rest of gun season. Of course, I got more bow tags and I will fill those, but I know she'll be pleased to see me take a little bit of break from hunting. A beautiful doe here that I'm gonna get field dressed real quick. I mean, I just couldn't be happier. So it's opening morning of rifle season here in Missouri, and I've got one doe to put in my freezer and several more tags to fill. I seen one buck today, and he was not legal. They have to have 4 points on at least one side to be legal here in this county in Missouri where I hunt, and I'm not mad about that. I came out here to get some food for the freezer, and I accomplished that, and I am just stoked about it. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna have a ton more content related to this and all things outdoors, mostly centered around here in Missouri, and hopefully other places in the future. A lot of people don't understand this lifestyle, and they have a bias against it from a lot of the media and the footage that's presented. It's centered around collecting trophy animals, things like that, and that is a choice that each hunter can make, and I don't see anything wrong with that. As long as no meat goes to waste, I see nothing wrong with it. But the way that it's presented in TV shows and media today is they just don't put any emphasis on the harvest of the meat, the procurement of the meat, how to cook it. It's mostly just centered around the hunt, the kill shots. Outsiders who are not familiar with this type of lifestyle, they might see that, and they might become taken aback by that and think that is what is emphasized and what it's all about. But as hunters, we know that the actual hunt is really about tradition, the meat, family. It's just a part of who we are. It's a part of our culture, and for me, I hope that never changes, and I hope people that try to take that away from us are never successful, because this is what I love to do, and I know a lot of people out there love to do it as well. So as a hunter, we try our very best to do what's best for these animals, and act as conservationists. So this is just more than, it's not a hobby really. I don't call it a sport. I don't like to call it a sport. You can call it whatever you want, but to me, it's like a lifestyle. It's a lifestyle choice. I still eat store-bought meat just like the majority of Americans do, but I try to subsidize that as much as I can with wild game, wild forage foods and things like that. So, I think the heart is probably one of the most underutilized and underrated cuts of venison. You know, it's just so tender. It's so good.